hot ou French kiss. You've seen it done in movie and probably even in public, the French kiss, a timelaissant passionate gesture of romantic affection ou her partner kiss will use in their tongue. What you live in Paris, France or Paris, Texas, you can learn how to kiss like the French do it to embarrassing faux pas. If you want to know how to French kiss, the step to get started. Making a move. Keep your lips soft. A soft, smooth, and slightly moist mouth ideal for kissing. Before you move in, you should make sure your lips are chapped or dry so your partner is undistracted or pure bit state of your lip. If you want to soften your lip before you go in for the kiss, you should treat the skick fix. Use chapstick. Sweep some of your lip and press them to jeter. If you're a girl and you have flavored chapstick, alt bt, ton lick avait you should apply lip balm gloss or more before you kiss, so your kissing partner feel your soft lip, not tickly of gloss over them. Drink water. Dry lip are a sign of dehydration, so throw back a tall glass of water, or two. You should notice your lips starting to smooth out within 20 to 30 minutes. Lick your lip. If you're really in a pinch and have no time to spare, quickly run your tongue over your lip and press them to jeter. This should moisten them slightly with to making them slobbery or slick. You can even lick your lip a bit subtly while making eye contact with your kissing partner. Freshen your breath. You never want to have bad breath when you are about to kiss someone, whether it kiss a French kiss or no. Because your mouth will be open in a French kiss, fresh breath is especially important. Practice good dental hygiene. If you know you are about to kiss someone, take a second to brush your teeth or rinse out your mouth with water. Always have breath mint flavored gum with you if you think three a chance you might kiss someone while you are out. If you want to be supple, you can quickly suck on a breath mint or chew gum for a minute in the bathroom, so you don't make it too obvious that you're ready to kiss. Avoid food to leave on une pleasant aftertaste or residue, particularly garlic, coffee, onion, milk, and corn. If you're on a dinner date before the big kiss, try to eat strategically. Find the right moment. A good kiss, especially a first kiss or first French kiss, it culmination of a building tension and growing intimacy. Use your moment right to make sure you and your partner are both in a mindset to really lose yourself in the kiss. You should have privacy and should both be feeling romantic instead of stressed or distracted, for nothing. When it moment right? It depends on your individual situation, but rare facing to keep in mind. You have complete privacy. Whether you're alone on your balcony or sitting on a secluded bench in a park, you're no worried someone will interrupt you. The person keeps dropping hint, like looking and looking at your lip, or standing or sitting progressively closer to you. Regardless of your partner gender, their body language should give you a clue about whether know it the right time to make your move. You're ending at that tower level. In the car or on the porch or but go to semi-private location for a good night kiss. It just seems right. If you feel overwhelmingly compelled to kiss someone, don't be too afraid to just go for it. Just be prepared for an awkward or even troubling situation if you discover your intended didn't felt some way. Ask. If you are sure whether the person is feeling it, bring up the topic. Bete to get permission semi-awkwardly and go ahead with confidence don't risk missing out on your chance to kiss a special someone, accidentally kiss someone who is interested. Make eye contact. Gaze d'appli un te person et if you want to make your intention extra clear, slowly move your gaze to their lip, then back up to eye. You can even make intense eye contact, break it for a few seconds, and then look back at the person. The way of showing the person you want to kiss that you're pleasantly overwhelmed at the sight of them. girl quand even look agui, look down, antenne look up trug serlage tube extra flirtation. Smile. If you're really excited about prospect of kissing tote person, show it. A smile keeps the situation light often, will helping them feel safe and relaxed. Make sure your smile is soft and genuine, ove, and no forced, too wide, or overly intense smile. Just slowly and languidly as your lip into a smile. Show your future kissing partner how happy you are to be in their company. Continue to make eye contact you doti, or break it for a few seconds before you return it. You can opt for a closely-eyed smile instead of smiling while showing your teeth, which might come off more friendly than alluring romantic. Break the touch barrier. Once you're alone with the person you like and you're smiling and making eye contact, you can decide if you want to go in for the kiss without touching, or if you want to break the touch barrier first. Take a man sitting with your leg touching, holding on, putting your on the person knee, stroking the person arm, or just giving a sign of affection. If you've kissed the person on the lip before, then breaking the touch barrier may feel more natural for you, and you should make an effort to touch the person before you touch lips so both of you feel more at ease. You can also break the touch barrier as you're moving in to kiss the person. If you're standing, you can touch the person arm, neck, or shoulder as you move in for the kiss. If you're sitting, you can pull on the person back. Move in. When the moment seems right, go in for tap o. In general, you should be moving slowly and not at the person at him to say no, but not so slow at the moment loses spark. When you start to get the feeling that your kissing partner is ready for the next step, you should immediately move your body towards their body until your head are just fait un chapar. Ta when you have to start angling your head for the best kissing position. Take it slow. Slow à build tension en anticipation. Move in a pesta give to the person a chance to consent, or no. When test you coming in, them a move to make you, so go slow will prevent you from accidentally bumping it. Tilt your head slightly to one side. Meeting it on will result bumping nose. Instead, just tilt your head slightly to the left or right. If you notice to the person going in one direction, pick the opposite. Don't put too much pressure on yourself to do it perfectly. If you and your partner are up kissing et down and bumping nose a bit, then you'll naturally adjust your head into a more comfortable position, where your nose are in the way. Une like why you may think from the movie, T2 have to happen in slow motion. You'll tilt your head as you move closer to the person, no as an eye pace, so you don't have to worry about having the time to get it perfect. Close your eye. Just before you make contact, close your eye. Kissing with your eye open is generally associated with dishonesty and insincerity, and keeping your eye closed will help you focus on enjoy what's happening on your lip. Also, will you may be tempted to open your eye to see why your kissing partner looks like in the throes of passion, it could actually unexpectedly make you crack up or no feel in the mood to kiss anymore. Closing your eye can also help you focus on your mood and to live in the moment, instead of trying to observe everything that's happening at close range. You can slowly open your eye later, when you pull apart after the kiss. Keep your mouth in a kissable position. Don't press a stiff pucker, like you would if you went to kiss your grandma. No only do it communicate non-romantic feeling, but it make it physically difficult for your partner to initiate a French kiss. On te keeping your mouth completely closed still also set a you're no interested. Draw to it a happy medium. Pucker just a little. Push your lip forward slightly, so that you felt the slightest hint of muscle tension around them. Open your mouth slightly. Instead of aggressively going in for a fully open mouthed kiss at first, keep your lip just barely parted and not a tongue cold sleep.